Today, in our second chapter, Divisibility in Integers, we are going to see our point, the principle of weak mathematical induction. Let P of n be a propositional function where n belongs to z plus and z plus denote the set of positive integers. Then, the weak mathematical induction principle states that if P of 1 is true and P of k implies P of k plus 1 is true for any integer k, then P of n is true for all n. Now we use this principle of weak mathematical induction to solve some examples. First one is use mathematical induction to prove that n cube minus n is divisible by 3 for all n belongs to z plus. Proof. Let P of n be the statement that n cube minus n is divisible by 3. We prove it by using principle of weak mathematical induction. Here we are going to solve this example by using two steps. First one is basic step. In basic step, we prove that P of 1 is 2. By taking n is equal to 1, we get P of 1 as n cube minus 1. That is 1 cube minus 1 and it will be equal to 0. We know that 0 is divisible by any real number. That means it is divisible by 3 also. Hence, P of 1 is true. Now, in second step, that is induction step, we want to prove that P of k implies P of k plus 1. Therefore, first we consider P of k is true. That is, k cube minus k is divisible by 3. We denote it by star 1. Now, we want to prove that P of k plus 1. That statement become k plus 1 cube minus k plus 1 is divisible by 3 and we want to prove that it is true. So first of all, we consider k plus 1 cube minus k plus 1. By expanding this bracket k plus 1 cube, we get k cube plus 3k square plus 3k plus 1. And by opening this bracket, we get minus k minus 1. Now this plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. We take this k cube and minus k in one bracket and from this two 3k square and 3k we take 3 as a common. Hence we get in bracket k square plus k. From star 1 we have k cube minus k is divisible by 3 and also this quantity 3 into k square plus k is divisible by 3. That means k cube minus k plus 3 into k square plus k, which is equal to our k plus 1 bracket cube minus k plus 1 is divisible by 3. Hence, P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, from basic and induction step, we can say that P of n is true. That is, n cube minus n is divisible by 3. Hence, we say that n cube minus n is divisible by 3 for all n belongs to z plus. Now our second example is use mathematical induction to prove that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. That is, the sum of first n positive odd integers is n square. So first we see the proof. Let P of n be the statement that the sum of first n positive odd integers is n square. Here we denote this P of n by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. We prove it by using again principle of weak mathematical induction. Our first step is basic step. In this step we want to prove that again P of 1 is true. That is, the sum of first one odd integer is 1 square. We know that the sum of first odd positive integer is 1 and hence we get 1 is equal to 1 square. Therefore, we can say that P of 1 is true. Now, in our second step, that is in induction step, we want to prove that P of k implies P of k plus 1 is true for every positive integer k. Now, let P of k is true. That is, the sum of first k odd positive integer is k square. We denote this statement by P of k. Hence, we get P of k as 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to. We replace in our P of n by k. That means here we get 2k minus 1 is equal to k square. We denote this by again star 1. Now we want to prove that p of k plus 1 is true. That is, the sum of first k plus 1 odd positive integers is k plus 1 bracket square. For it, we consider first k plus 1 odd positive integers and their sum, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2k minus 1. It is this one is our kth odd positive integer, and again by substituting at the place of n k plus 1 we get the value 2k plus 1, which is our k plus 1th odd positive integer. From star 1, this 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2k minus 1 is k square, and 2k plus 1 we keep it as it is. Now open bracket, we get k square plus 2k plus 1, which is k plus 1 bracket square. Therefore we can say that 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2k minus 1 plus 2k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1 bracket square. Therefore we can say that p of k plus 1 is true. From our basic and induction step, we say that p of n is true for all n belongs to z plus, that is, sum of first n odd positive integers is n square. Thank you.